Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm very happy to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T30 long wheelbase Highline panel van. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely T30 panel van comes in a solid paint colour candy white. Across the front of the vehicle are some lovely twin chrome striping. The vehicle also features front parking sensors, as well as some front fog lamps with a cornering function. The front and rear bumper, along with the top wing mirror caps and the door handles, have also been body matched. Across the front wings we have some lovely transporter badging. And down below this, the vehicle will sit on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. The vehicle also features electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors, as well as a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Behind the single sliding door reveals a fully ply-lined interior with two lights illuminating the cargo in the rear. There is also a step for easy access into and out of the vehicle, as well as a full steel black bulkhead. The vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving a more engaging drive to the vehicle. The vehicle features the rear loading barn doors, which provides a few different uses when loading and unloading the vehicle. Across the outer side of the left-hand barn door, there is some lovely transporter badging, and dotted along that rear bumper are the rear parking sensors, which work with the front ones to display a park distance control. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will finish this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T30 long wheelbase Highline panel van. However, you can stick around as later on in the video we'll explore the interior. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you for sticking around. Join me now inside the cab. The controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors are located on the driver's door card. And moving over to the very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This allows the driver to have a more hands-on driving experience, as controls for the audio settings as well as driver assist settings, including driving data and vehicle information, can also be accessed. Here we are just flicking through a few different radio stations with the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as increase and decrease the volume with the controls on the left. The vehicle comes with a few different driver convenience options, such as adaptive cruise control, and moving over to the 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system, it also comes with App Connect. This allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also comes with access to AM/FM as well as DAB radio stations, as well as allowing the driver or passengers to connect with a Bluetooth audio or an SD card function. Below the touchscreen infotainment system, there is a start, stop and parking sensor toggle button, as well as the vehicle comes with a front heated windscreen, and some of the climate controls. The vehicle features climatic air conditioning, which is useful for those warmer months. Throughout the rest of the cab is a variety of storage compartments, as well as a very comfortable 2-passenger seat finished in a lovely bricks woven fabric in titanium grey and palladium black with extra storage underneath. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T30 long wheelbase Highline panel van. Again, if you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. If you like this video, then please leave a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.